This is the Artisana coconut butter. This is some really great stuff. Let me open it up here. The company just does a phenomenal job on packing. You'd see you're never going to receive one of these in bad shape here. They put it in this nice box here, and it's got this packaging here. It's wrapped really well. So let's just open it up. I'm a repeat buyer of this brand. I've been using it for a while. It's really great stuff. If you like raw coconut butter, this is definitely something you're going to want to check out here. You get it in a glass jar, so it's packed really nicely. This is really good stuff. This is a great taste to it. I use this typically in medjool dates for the inside to fill them up, but it's got a lot of other things. You could melt it, you could do a lot of stuff with it, but again, it's in a glass jar here. You could see you get 24 1 tablespoon servings here, 110 calories each serving. Let's open it up here. You can see it's got more safety on here. Let's open it up. You can see here, you kind of got to break it up with a knife here because it does get kind of solid. And then this is what I do. I just store it up in this Pyrex container right here. And you could just see this is what it looks like when you break it up right here. So it gets just like crumbly, powdery. You could pretty much chisel it out and make it however you want to. But just basically, I just use like a butter knife, just break some off there, put it in this container, and just use it on an as-needed basis. But this stuff is really great. It's got a really great taste to it. Like I said, I use it in medjool dates a lot. You could melt it down. I've put it on strawberries before. It's a really great taste. And I like the fact that it's raw coconut butter. When you look at the ingredient list here, where's it at here? The ingredients, raw, organic coconut. No crazy ingredients, no chemicals or anything like that. But this is a really great brand. Highly recommend checking this out.